Yeah, this is literally the rivet version.
I think it's a 707.
Yeah, same as the KC-135.
I'm getting a close-up one of this one, Alex.
That's fine. No, those are 4 Typhoons. It's a Typhoon of the F-22s. You like get ready, these are loud.
You're right.
I'm doing fine. If I wanted to learn something, I'd just hang around. But I've got to move on. They're all American.
No,
Well, they're all the RAF. But yeah, but they are. That one's American. That's a Boeing and it's been modified. They're Eurojets.